What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to take a item that we find on Amazon and potentially find the brand and open an account with them. And if it's a specifically wholesale brand that just sells to resellers, this will be a simple way to do that. And I found this kid's cup, sippy cup, from a moderately popular brand, this Baby C. So we can look at all the products that any brand sells on Amazon by just clicking where it says brand, and it's going to take us to a brand page for that brand. Sometimes the brand will have it curated, it'll have their header, and they can have specific things like a storefront. But this one is one that Amazon just automatically generates. So we can see they have a lot of this kind of stuff, baby plates, sippy cups, baby utensils, all kinds of things like that. The next step would be we just jump over to Google, and we search for it, which I've already brought. All I did was put the title in. You might have to put it in quotes if there's a lot of crazy results. But here it's the first result. They're not running ads. They're not doing anything like that. So, if we just click on it, it'll take us over to their website, which is just their name.com. We can see there's an order form here and terms. We can see that they do not sell directly to consumers. So there's going to be a directly business to business type site. So we'll be able to order it's almost guaranteed you'll be able to order from them when they're just a direct business to business site. So we have the order form, we have the contact, we have a catalog that we can download from them to see everything they sell. We already seen a bunch of that on Amazon, so this is one of those opportunities where you may find this in a store, and then you can, if you're selling it on Amazon, then you can buy those products, and then, start taking the steps to buy from them wholesale by opening an account directly with them. We'll go look at the order form, and we can see that they just have a form here to download. So we can just click on that and download it and take a look, and we can see this is their very simple looking new customer form. They want a copy of your business license, a copy of your business letterhead, and a business card. Nothing too crazy. Name of your store, contact information, address, phone number, fax if you have one, email, and website if you have one. So, super simple to fill out, and that's all there is to it. And now you're buying directly from the brand. You don't have to pay the markups and the middlemen, distributors, and then retail markup. You can just buy it all directly for a wholesale price, and then you have access to all the products that they have. Amazon said they had 200 different products from that brand, so there may be a whole lot more than that once you open an account and see all the products they have. So it looks like they have a bunch of different collections here, and probably the same, that print, those prints for each collection go on different products.